Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Let's start with Bitcoin today. You can see Bitcoin, this is regression channel, and you can see it's in front of this massive resistance, this white line, resistance here. We got this thing touched here on 13th of March. Then again in June, again came very close here in July, and now we touched it again here a couple of days ago on 20th of October. Now this regression channel is telling me the perfect time to sell is in this top blue blocks, and that's what we got. You can see it came here, we sold off, came here, we sold off, and now it came again and we are selling off. The best time to buy is in this bottom red box. So you can see that bottom red box is around 61,700 as of right now. You can see buy here for a bounce, and every time it comes to this bottom red box, it bounces significantly. Here it bounced 31%. Here it bounced 26%. Here you can see it bounced 17%. And let's see if it can come here. This is the area you would like to buy, and that's going to be good. Ethereum, same story. You can see came to this top box and now going lower. Same story here. Look to buy below this bottom box. That's around 22.93 right now. On Ethereum also, whenever we came down, we bounced here 32%. We bounced from here 26%, and now we're coming back here. And let's see when we reach there. So looking for more downside move on Bitcoin from where we are right now to that bottom box. We're looking for around 6.5% move, and on Ethereum from where we are to the bottom box at minimum looking for 10 and 11% move. All right, so just keep that in mind and plan accordingly. And if you go to daily chart, let me show you. Let's see if other indicators are showing anything better on Bitcoin. This is daily chart on Bitcoin. You can see massive resistance here. Now closing below this green line is not going to be good. You can see here we back tested a couple of days ago. This green line now going below. There is some support on this 200 SMA, and there are multiple support levels here. So this could be still a higher low if it can hold here. So let's see. So before this blue line, focus on this blue line. This is 200 daily SMA, act as a resistance. We broke out, so we could come back for a back test around 63K and then could go higher as well. But as of right now, this blue line, this white line is acting as a massive resistance. And one other good, not a good news is green line is now down. I don't want to see this crossover, so that's not going to be good. So far it's okay. If it recovers today, it's okay, but I'm also getting a red sign today, red dot here. So all indicators are showing me bearish pressure on Bitcoin. Ethereum also probably same thing. You can see red dot here, and then green line is about to cross red line. So not a good news for crypto overall. Now gap analysis on crypto, you can see all the green lines are gaps to fill. Next gap is around 53,900. But again, I will be looking at linear regression, which I showed at the beginning to see where I can buy. And on Ethereum, next gap is around 2232. So this is where the linear regression is showing. We could go and fill this gap. Okay, guys, that's it for crypto. Hopefully this is helpful. Please hit the like button, and we'll see you later. Okay, if you're only here for crypto, you can leave, or else you can stay for the stock market. SPX cycle analysis. All right. This rising phase is ending this Friday, so we could still get a little bounce and then go lower. But I'm looking for this declining phase, which is starting 24th of October, this Friday, to second week of November. All right. So looking for choppy period to a decline period. So again, two scenarios here. All right. You can see this declining phase. We did nothing, just chop around, flagged, and then bounced. We could have same thing, or we are going down. Okay. I think we could go down mostly this time, because every time we have this flag and we go higher, the next declining phase, we usually go down. Okay, so let's see what happens. Time will tell, but right now SPX is still above this green line, which is 10 moving average. As long as it's above green line, we can be bullish. The day it closed below green line, you gotta be risk off. All right, so let's see. Now live market right now is again kind of 0.2%, kind of flat. Let's see if they can hold it above this green line. And on regression channel chart here, you can see MES right now. Again, I don't want to buy here. I want to be buying below 5660, all right, as of right now. So that's what I'm looking for. And on NASDAQ, I'm looking to buy below this line, which is around 19,147. We'll see whenever we reach there. If we go pump, then that's going to be a good area to short again on that level there. So on Dow Jones, linear regression, you can see Dow Jones is cooling off, something to do with McDonald's and Starbucks. Let me show you McDonald's. Here you go. McDonald's down almost 9% yesterday. Now it's down 7%. So still it should go down. I'm looking to buy McDonald's below 275. And then Starbucks after earnings is not doing that good. Starbucks is came to the buy zone here, 88 bucks, but bounced. All right. So let's see if it can go a little lower. Look to buy below $88 Starbucks. And all right, go back to side by side and do our usual thing, MES here. And then on MES chart here, you can see yesterday green lines are where we buy, and you can see we bounced from green line yesterday. We touched green line at 5:59 p.m., 9:25 p.m., and then we are bouncing. All right, and sorry, not it's AM, 5:50 a.m. and 9:09 a.m. and now bounced. And now where we are in here in the neutral zone. So look to buy below 56.85, 58, sorry, 58.65, and look to sell below 5900. Nasdaq is right now in the neutral zone, no trade zone. If it comes below 2377, look to buy. Dow Jones is already in the buy zone, and Russell is also in the buy zone. If you want to know more about these indicators, guys, subscribe to my channel. Link is in the description, and I share these levels with all my subscribers to keep you on the right side of trade. Nasdaq, same thing here, holding above this green line. As long as it's holding above the green line, all is good. Dow Jones is now closing below this green line, finding support on this white line, which is 20 moving average. Now let's try to find some clues from DIA ETF. There is a gap here around 424. It could come and fill this gap and then bounce. You can see this was support here, breaking out, coming back for support, and IWM could come all the way down to fill this gap around 211, 212. Okay, just keep that in mind. All right, so what else we're gonna see? Commodities, oil. Let's see oil. Oil is back testing. You can see this massive resistance here around 72. Now back tested yesterday, now selling off. Let's see if it can break out, or also getting rejected on this all moving averages. If it comes back around mid 60s, that's an area to buy. And let's keep moving. Hang Seng Index again holding. Um, let's see if it can hold here. I think it's going to come look to buy around 18,000 here. That's what I'll be looking for China to buy. Natural gas is bouncing finally after touching this yellow line, which is 50 EMA. So it's bouncing, finding support. Gold is too bullish. 9-count sell signal. Not interested in buying. So looking for a cool down on all commodities. Copper also gonna follow gold. Gold is at all-time high. Copper did not reach there. So this could sell off with gold. Palladium also could sell off with gold. Soybeans trying to make a bottom and turn around. Sugar flagging still. Wheat, let's see if it can close above 570. Getting 8 counts buy signal here. Corn, massive bounce. So this can still be higher low. So let's see if it can break above these blue lines. Dollar is in front of resistance, trying to break out. That's not a good news. If dollar breaks out, gold and crypto will sell off. All right, so just keep that in mind. Um, that's it. And then let's quickly look at levels for all your bigger stocks to see if there's anything interesting here. So let's see. All right. AMD, I'm keeping an eye. AMD is in the neutral zone. Look to buy below 141. Google is green. Again, looking to buy below 154. And CNQ, oil miner, looking to buy below, still way high, buy below 32 bucks here. Um, Apple, Apple looking to buy below 228. Amazon, look to buy below 174. Netflix is already high, NVDA high. I think all these are high. So Tesla, I think it's earning coming when earning coming today, end of day, already in the buy zone. But I don't want to take a risk on Tesla in front of this massive downturn and finding support here. A support here can bounce, or there are gaps here on 200. There's a gap here on 145. Also, there are top gaps here 238, 257, 291. So let's see if it holds this back test of this support line or if it's going to break out or break down. So it's a risky Tesla, so I don't want to involve in um, this earnings. TD was in the buy zone. You can see Tesla now bouncing. So CNI had a good earnings, but did not bounce much. I'm waiting for it to bounce. Yahoo Finance is showing me it has 2% bounce, so we'll see how it goes. And then VIX is can still go lower. If it bounce, then that means top is in. If it goes lower, then that means SPX is going higher. If SPX goes lower, VIX will go up. Okay, guys, that's it for today. ITB is the other one, which I'm keeping an eye down 3%. Yesterday looked to buy below 116.44. All right, have a good one. Bye.